It's all about the bass,
Right, it is about, there we go, coming up to 9 o'clock. Bit of crappy weather coming in here. We're just saying goodbye to Reese, he's leaving. See you later, Reese, good to meet you, mate.
Cheers.
And we're going to head off, because Ainsley's been fanning around with his phone. Look at, see if we can get a good look at that. I mean, he's proper booted that, quite literally. We're going to head over to Wrexham so we can get a new phone. The joys have been on holiday with oldest friend. Unfortunately, we are due for a lot of rain today and tomorrow as well, I think. So, just going to have to hope for the best. So just so you're aware, the last time we came to Barlow, we didn't have any issues with parking, staying overnight, that kind of thing. But this morning, one of the wardens came round and he said, how long have you been here? Ames dealt with him. He said, how long have you been here? And Ames said, we've just got here, kind of thing. He said, oh, you know, you can't stay overnight. And Ames said, yeah. He said, are you going out on the water? And I said, at that point, I said, I might do. So it was £5 to launch a boat, that kind of thing. So just so you're aware, they are clamping down a little bit in that area. And we're just heading back through Barlow now to go all the way back to Wrexham. Right, we're a bit early, but we're just going for a bit of a mooch. Ooh, that looks quite nice over there. Yeah, look at that. What great design. Nita and I are stood waiting outside Prime Marnie for oldest friend to come back. He's gone to get some joggers with extra girth for his humongous ball bag. Next stop on oldest friend's delightful trip around Wrexham. So that's that bit sorted. Right, we need to go and find somewhere to sit down now so you can get it all set up. What a wonderful holiday. Here we are, fine dining again. I'm setting up a new phone. Well, after another fine dining treat, excuse me, we're heading over to Harlech Castle. We were going to do Harlech Castle and Portmeirion today. However, as you can see, the weather's a bit dire, so we're just going to go with the castle because it's predominantly an indoors thing, I think, and then do Portmeirion tomorrow. But again, we'll see what the weather's like. As you can see, oldest friend is back on point. Now he's got a phone going and his sat-nav going again. Let's hope he doesn't decide to trap this one in the car boot. I've just had a right giggle fit about this whole thing, because it was like somebody testing a phone for, you know, see what it could actually take. Drops it on the floor, smashes the screen. Oh, it's still going. Oh well, he can't handle that. Yeah, this is a nice drive through a mountainous area. I didn't quite catch the name of the village on the way through. Look at that up ahead, it's quite impressive.
Indicate cock.
Yeah, that's what I have to put up with sometimes. We've got an escapee, he's escaped. Oh, this bit opens up nicely here, look at that. So that's cool view.
Yeah, definitely.
We've got another one here, you go over the mountain and boom. And again, look at that, wow. Don't know where this place is, but it's very, very quaint and very narrow.
This is quaint.
Literally just said that to the camera. Well, look at this, it's just so lovely, right in the foothills of the mountain here. There's Snowdon on our right as we travel. Here we go, got a lovely pylon there. We always like a nice view of a pylon.
That looks like it.
Yeah, that looks like it. Now that's quite impressive looking, isn't it? So this is the view from the footbridge. As you can see, it's a great day. Looks good, doesn't it? So intact.
Yeah, up here. Kill zone.
As you go through there. Looking forward to getting up there, but the views are impressive. I want to have a look through here. Oh yeah, you can see out to the sea. Cool, isn't it?
Hello.
Come up a level. I wonder if those very round ones down there are ones that they would have used to drop through onto people. Squash. That's the greenhouse section where they grew all the herbs. You can tell I know my history, right?
Yeah.
Somewhat bizarrely, oldest friend and I drove down this road here last time and we saw this impressive looking castle on the hillside. He's just pointed out that this is actually it. Who knew we'd be visiting here a couple of years later? Apparently here though, no breakdancing. It's not allowed. So this is the big kind of front facing side here that faces outwards towards the sea. You were just saying that bit's lasted well. Right, I'm going in. Now I'm currently using the DJI Osmo Action 4, which is new, and it's supposed to have better low light capability, so I'm kind of hoping the footage for this will come out alright. Down this, well, up this circular walk. Oldest friend's doing well, he's got a bad knee. Look at him trooping on.
Come on.
The dog's knackered though. She's out, she's off. Okay. Those old farts have finally made it to the top.
It?
Oh, this isn't even the bit that you can walk across. We've just made it up to a parapet. Anyway, let's get it up and have a look. I can't, there's an obstacle in the way.
So we climbed about 6 million steps. Coming to arrive at this little bit.
Oh wow.
Stay here.
There's the vehicles. Wind turbine's a bit naff. Yeah.
Yeah.
This is an impressive view. In fact, I don't think we need to walk along that bit there because ultimately this is the best view.
Yeah.
Wow. Go that all the way down there. Oh, that's giving me the willies. Oh, I'm tingling. I'm tingling. Oh yeah, that's magnificent that.
Around.
Oh gosh, yeah, the wind up here is making my nuts tingle. And the height. How are your nuts, Nita? Oh. Oh yeah, it is quite impressive this. 141, 142 steps.
Might go with.
Right, so you know when I was pointing out those big balls, they're here. Those are obviously just bits that have dropped off. You can hear the wind whistling around the turrets. Ooh, here we go. Let's go up. Wow. Little den. It really is quite magnificent, this one. Oldest friend was just saying that we've missed the prison and he's keen to get in. There's a cell with his name on it.
Prisoner cell, okay. That was the bakehouse, the well.
Ah yeah, there's the well, look. Well, hey, it's still got water in it.
Well, well, well.
You can tell it's a well. Yeah, it says it on the wall.
It's feeling.
Ah, prison tower.
Prison tower. Oh, look at this prison tower. Come on, then. Go on, then.
Oh, we're climbing again.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, bloody hell, I'm not counting. Dark one, this one, but after a bit of climbing, we've made it to the top. Wonder if that was a cell. That's the drop down. Oh, we've got more stairs. Oh, here we go, counterclockwise, look at that. I think we've made it. Ah, here we go. Oh, we're actually on the top of the walls. We'll go this way. That's where the vehicles are, just to give you the bearings. End of the line.
End of the line.
So coming back the other way. So that up there, that's where that crap wind turbine is. Up at the top there, that's the highest point that you can get to, and that's where we've been up. As I say, everywhere you look from here, the views are just magnificent. I think this one, if you like castles, this one's definitely worth coming to have a look around. So that's kind of like the interior from the top of this walkway. Yeah, as I say, so this is the one we climbed up. Garden tower. So you can get down that way. Nothing through there?
No.
This bit's weird, so you come in here and it's a bit like being in a lighthouse. Been and got some supplies for oldest friend and I, and now got to find somewhere to stay. Goodbye Harlech Castle, you were impressive. This is quite a climb out, video won't show it. So we've got somewhere in mind to go and check out.
I just tried vaping into the walkie-talkie.
Did you hear that? He's just tried vaping into the walkie-talkie. I've done that. Wally! Yeah, so we've got somewhere in mind to go and check it out, and we're going to go and have a look. And now we've got this epic narrow road trip back. It gets way narrower than this. Can you see here how the writing on the road doesn't even fit in the lines properly on the one side of the road? Right, we've checked out one spot, bit open, not really suitable. We're just on our way to another, it's only about 1.5 miles away. So I think we've found somewhere. We've pulled up by a roadside. We're in a big lay-by here. I've backed up to oldest friend. We might be able to put a tarp between the vans and vehicles, I don't know yet. So what we've got here is oldest friend and I are in a lay-by A496, I think, I can't quite remember. Found it on park for the night. I've set the tarp up between the back of the vehicles just so that we've got a dry cooking space. We've got a bit of shelter because of these trees, but it's a bit wet. It's just somewhere where we can cook before we settle down, and then we're just going to settle down here a bit later tonight. It is currently, there you go, 5:19. Let's have a look, see what goodies we've got in this bag of treats. Now, we've both been enjoying the tandoori chili ones of these, and I found some different flavours in the shops. I got us a bag of each of those, some bread bats, a couple of beers, and then there's some eggs, sausage, and a Welsh barabeth. Yeah, bit of cake I tell you. So when there is no traffic, I know there's one coming now, this is our little vista from where we're sat. It's not too bad, not too shabby at all.
Yeah.
And this will all die down, so it'll be relatively quiet here later on. This is going to be proper filthy. Check that out. Filth, filth, I tell you. Well, that's day 2 done. It's been another fun day. Day 3 tomorrow. We were looking at Port Merion, but apparently they charge you to get into the village, which seems a bit ridiculous to us. We may do one of the Festiniog, try and get the words out, Festiniog trains at Port Maddock, but we're planning on heading into that area tomorrow, see what else is there. Yeah, thanks for watching. You know what to do if you like what I'm doing on this channel in terms of liking and subscribing. You take care of yourself, and I'll see you for day 3. Cheerio.